For order notification by email, we need to settings the email from the email SMTP email settings, and you will, here is the option SMTP host port address username and password. So you need to select SMTP, then your host SMTP host name will be here, port address will be here, username will be here, password will be here. So here is the six option, 1 2 3 4 5 6 option. Who will get email notification when an order placed? That means in your panel, who will get the email notification after place the order from the front end. So you can set any person from your shop, like it can be uh, manager, accountant, or anything like this. So, and the other option for you, for admin, who will get the email notification when an order is cancelled. That means when the order is cancelled from uh, customer, then who will get the email notification. Here is the four option for customer. Customer will get email notification when order placed. That means we need to, for all, need to check and select the person, and for customer we need to check and yes means system will send the email address, sorry, email from the system. So we need to click yes. If you select the no, then system will not send an email notification for the order. So we need to select yes. Same thing, customer will get notification when an order is progress. When order progress, then system will send an email notification. At the same time, when order is delivered, then system will send email, and also same thing on the cancelled, system will send the email notification for the cancellation the order. That's it. Okay, I'm going to now the how to SMS notification for the order. So we need to settings the SMS integration from the SMS settings. Same thing, you need to sign up from their panel for SMS gateway, and then you will select as per previous, like who will get the SMS notification when an order placed, like same thing others. Thank you. For print invoice, you need to go orders. Here is the option for print invoice. So when you click this, there will be printed. This is the print format. How to packing slip printing? Same thing. Here is the option packing slip. When you click the button, then system will print the packing slip. Okay. You can select the process who will deliver this, send to delivery or self. If you select send to delivery, you will promote to delivery partner who will deliver the order. You can select Redex, Sundaram Service, or anything else. You will create from the, you can create the delivery partner on the site settings. You can get the option. So this is the date, and this is the time. So delivery status, you can select the delivery status: delivered, cancelled by customer, or returned. If you select delivered, then system will show the date and time, and then submit. You need to select at least one delivery partner. Yeah, this is the status. Same thing, here is the option to edit the order. Edit, you can edit the order from the POS screen as per customer request. Is already selected the customer, you can add new one or remove from the old one, and then process to payment and get to finalization the order. That's it. Thank you.